In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find who you follow on Amazon. If you've ever followed creators, influencers, or brands on Amazon and wondered where that list actually lives, the answer is inside Amazon Live. Amazon Live is Amazon's hub for shoppable live streams and creator content, and it includes a convenient following section that shows exactly who you're keeping up with. We'll get there quickly using Amazon's built-in search. First, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Amazon account because your following list is tied to your account. If you're not signed in, Amazon won't be able to display the people you follow. At the top of the homepage, look for the large search bar. It spans the width of the header and usually has a small magnifying glass icon on the right. This is the easiest way to navigate directly to the feature we need rather than clicking around the site. Click into the search field and type the words Amazon Live. You don't have to worry about capitalization. Plain, lowercase text works perfectly. Using this exact phrase helps Amazon send you to the right place without detours. Now press Enter on your keyboard to run the search. Depending on your browser and Amazon's layout, you may be taken straight to the Amazon Live Hub, or you might see results where Amazon Live is prominently featured. Either way, you're headed to the live experience, which is where your following information appears. Once you're on the Amazon Live page, look to the left side of the screen. You should see a panel or sidebar, and within it, a section labeled Following. That section displays the creators, influencers, and brands you currently follow on Amazon. If your list looks empty, it usually means you haven't followed anyone yet on that account, or you're not signed in. When there are items in the list, you'll typically see names, profile images, and sometimes quick links to their latest content. A couple of quick tips if you don't immediately see the following section. On smaller screens, the left panel may be collapsed, so the following area might be tucked under a menu icon. Also, regional Amazon sites can differ. If you're using a country-specific domain, the Live Hub and its panels may vary or be limited. Refreshing the page after signing in can also help the panel populate correctly. And that's it. By using the Amazon search bar to reach Amazon Live and checking the left side following panel, you can quickly see everyone you follow in one place.